Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track your Afterpay order. Let's get straight into the video. So to track your Afterpay order, all you got to do is open the Afterpay app, or you can just go to the website on your mobile device or your computer and just log into your Afterpay account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged in, tap or click on orders or transaction to view your current orders or transactions. Then you want to select the order that you want to track to view its details, and then you can check the order status, which may include things like processing, shipped, delivered, or cancelled. And now you can just view tracking information, including the shipping carrier and tracking number if that's available. Now to track with the shipping carrier, all you got to do is visit the website of the shipping carrier used to ship your order. That could be USPS or UPS or FedEx, whatever it is. Just visit the website, and then you can enter the tracking number provided by Afterpay to track the status of your order. Now for receiving order updates, a couple of things to note is Afterpay will send order updates, including shipping confirmations and delivery notifications to your email address or mobile number. So just make sure that you check your email or mobile device regularly for order updates from Afterpay. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to track your Afterpay orders. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.